Hello, it's Jason, and I am checking out of my Airbnb here in Kuta. It is 12:12, and I'm heading to the InterContinental Bali Resort, but my check-in is not until 3 p.m. and it's about 5 miles away from here. And if I tried to hire a car, it would take about 45 minutes to go 5 miles. So I'm just gonna walk in that direction. Maybe I'll end up walking all the way there. Since I don't have to be there for 3 hours, I could definitely walk there in 3 hours. But I'm carrying a 50-pound backpack with all of my life's possessions, besides what I have stored in the suitcase in Bangkok. But I'm going to stop and get something to eat first. I think I'm going to get a hero from this Greek restaurant I ate at the other day, Santorini. So let me strap you on my chest and we'll go grab a bite to eat at Santorini. Let's see if make sure we got a shot. Yeah, these streets, man, so narrow. They definitely were built long before cars were around. They definitely were not designed for cars. This backpack's great though. This waist strap really takes the load off your shoulders. Alright, so here's the Greek restaurant. I ate here the other day too, last night. Had some tacos, this Mexican place. It's good. They don't open at 5 p.m. though. Alright, so let me get a hero here at this Greek restaurant. Hello. Just one? Huh? Okay. Sit over here by the streets. My mic was down there on my bag. Apologize. Hello.
Yes.
I will do a iced cappuccino with sugar
With sugar.
and a Greek omelette and a lamb sovaki pita.
Lamb.
Yeah, lamb with no mustard.
Only no mustard.
Yeah, no mustard.
Anything else?
That'll do it.
Now what makes you, sir? You order for 3 whole cappuccino, Greek omelette, and lamb pita no mustard.
Yes.
For food, all comes together?
Whenever anything's ready, just bring it out.
Yes.
There we go. Got the pita. Some tzatziki sauce. Pretty hot. French fries on it. Not like a hero like I'm used to. This has a kind of like shredded lamb on it. A lot of juice is flowing out. Like roasted potatoes and French fries. This is how they give you sugar here. It's like a liquid sugar syrup. And coffee. Cappuccino. Yes, thank you.
Finished?
Yes. You have a fork?
Yeah, 1 second.
Thank you. Pita bread. Very cold butter. Half red, half green tomato. Delicious. Breakfast of champions. Get to the last bite. Excellent breakfast. Alright. Let's hike in the general direction of the InterContinental. It's starting to get a little rain. It's not ideal. That does keep things cool. Nope. All these scooters. Alright, since I'm going to be walking quite a while, I think I want to set you guys up with a time-lapse instead of watching in real time. You could have super fast mode. Alright, well I walked over 3 miles and I'm pretty pooped. Got 2 miles to go. So I'm gonna call a grab bike, which is like an Uber. Take me the last 2 miles. It only cost like $1. But it's already 2:22. So it's almost time for check-in. So I just want to get there.
So this is for you like it.
Okay. Okay.
The check-in is upstairs and on the right side.
Okay.
I will take care of your luggage.
Thank you. Very nice. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
This is you, yeah?
Jason Phillips.
For check-in?
Yeah, check-in.
InterContinental Bali Resort. So we have check-in counter over the sofa management.
Over here?
Priority check-in, yes, correct. And the sofa.
Okay. Hello. Check in, Jason Phillips.